So today, as of right now, I suffer from alopecia totalis, so I have no hair all over my body, and I am currently wearing the solution X-Trans Plus. So I was diagnosed at 3 years old, so pretty early. My mom found out about the Hairclub for Kids program when I was only 9 years old. My first trip to Hairclub was so amazing. Just being able to sit in the salon chair and talk about colors and haircut and just the style I was going for. As a kid with hair loss, that was huge for me. That illuminated my life for sure. When I first got my X-Trans Plus, honestly, I couldn't stop feeling and touching and playing with my hair. It's 100% human hair. And with that, I just felt so much more confident and ready to go to school and ready to show it off to everybody. Life with X-Trans Plus is so free. You can do anything that you want, and there's no limitations. You can go to the gym and sweat it out. You can go skiing. You can go swimming. There is nothing that you can't do. I would love if people knew that we service every type of client. There is a hair clip solution for everybody.